is my first video, I believe. I'm not sure. But actually, been trying to make slime, and it's not been working out in my favor. I've been mixing for like 10 minutes. It takes a lot of work. This was supposed to be 20 minutes long.
Hi guys.
This is 30 minutes long. Stop, Abby. This isn't the one you're in. That's not lively. This isn't lively. You like lively. Stop. What they said was you didn't have to mix. Basically, in the one they did, didn't mix, didn't do anything like that. I've done what the recipe said. Toothpaste, salt, and then I microwaved it for 10 seconds, then froze it for 15 minutes, and it's pretty good. I've gotten it to like glop around. It's just not sticking together. That's my problem. I'm trying to get it all to this little side. Maybe if I show it to you guys, it'll work. Because look, I'm literally trying to get it all down there into this little pocket of slime here. I don't know why I decided to make an easy slime. I should have just gone with one of the harder slimes. Literally. I'm spanking the slime because it's being bad. I might make a different slime this video. This was basically a fail. Unless I can let me touch it. Yeah, it's really sticky. I haven't touched it yet. Yeah, that's really sticky like toothpaste. I don't think I added enough salt. Yeah. Scrape it off my hand. Oh. What if I play with it for a minute? Yeah, this is starting to get like the slime consistency that you want, but not really. Kind of almost there. I guess you would say it's slime. Yay. I'm not a slime expert. I only made like 10 good slimes. I would say this is more like butter slime. Melted butter slime. Maybe if I freeze it, because I just microwaved it again, and maybe I just need to freeze it for a minute. Now it's all over my hands. If you ever make this, do not touch it until it stops sticking to your spoon. Yep, definitely. Or else it'll all stick to your hands, and then you wash it off, you won't have that slime anymore. So, I really recommend not just rubbing it in your fingers until it all balls up like this. I recommend not doing this, what I'm doing with my hands. It's the sevens when you don't want it to. And it's a problem. I can't pick my spoon up unless you just. Great. This is horror. How am I supposed to? Hopefully, it won't pause. Please. Well, guess I'm stuck with you guys. That's good. I added some Dawn dish soap, which is kind of helping. See how it slides right off? Notice that? How it's trying to slide out of the bowl? But I can't touch it. Oh yeah, I can. This slime's easier to touch. But the fact of the matter is, I can't use this slime. We need some more toothpaste. Which the toothpaste gets really sticky. Which is exactly what we don't want. I need more soap. This is turned into a big steak. Take a lot of mixing. This stuff's a bit liquidy, but not really. Not really. Let's see. Okay, not working. Maybe if I open the salt over this.